Hi, I'm Kate O'Donnell with Mindful Learning Practices. Today we are going to do rapid review on the immune and lymphatic systems using digital flashcards. If you would like to purchase a printable set of the flashcards, you can do so at mindfullearningpractices.com. Now, join me in starting with a deep breath and our intention statement. My intention for this practice session is to create a stronger neural network related to the immune and lymphatic systems so that I can easily access the information when I need it. I know that I am an important part of the universe. My worth is not measured by how I perform on a test or the grade I get in a class. I am loved unconditionally. I work hard because I find joy in learning, and I know that I can accomplish anything with effort. My intention for this practice session is to create a stronger neural network related to the immune and lymphatic systems so that I can easily access the information when I need it. Let's get started. What is the function of the immune system? The immune system protects the body from infection and disease. What is a pathogen? A pathogen is any organism or particle that causes disease. What is nonspecific immunity? Nonspecific immunity is the part of the immune system that protects against all pathogens. What are the parts of the nonspecific immune system? Skin, mucus and cilia in the respiratory system, saliva, and acids in the stomach. How do white blood cells protect the body? White blood cells destroy pathogens in the blood. What are the types of white blood cells? Monocytes, lymphocytes, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, and macrophages. What are antibodies? Antibodies are blood proteins the body creates after fighting a specific pathogen. If the pathogen enters the body again, the antigens stick to it to start the immune system response. What is the difference between passive immunity and active immunity? Active immunity is when your body produces antibodies that respond to previous pathogens. Passive immunity is when your body uses antibodies from another body, such as antibodies passed from mother to a baby through breast milk. What is vaccination? Vaccination is when a small amount of an inactive pathogen is injected into a body to induce the production of antibodies. What is inflammation? Inflammation is swelling and redness as a result of increased blood flow to damaged tissue. What is the function of the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system clears the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. How are the lymphatic system and the cardiovascular system connected? At the capillaries, blood moves out of the blood vessels and into the cells to deliver nutrients and oxygen. About 90% of the plasma returns to the capillaries. The rest stays around the cells as interstitial fluid. Lymphatic capillaries pick up the interstitial fluid and scan it for pathogens before returning it to the veins. What is a lymph vessel? A lymph vessel is a tube that carries lymph to the lymph nodes and eventually to a vein. What is lymph? Lymph is interstitial fluid that was once plasma once it is in a lymph vessel. What is a lymph node? A lymph node is a small ball-shaped structure where lymphocytes scan lymph for pathogens. A lymph node is a small ball-shaped structure where lymphocytes scan lymph for pathogens. How do lymphocytes respond to pathogens? Lymphocytes can trigger macrophages to destroy pathogens, or they can signal for a full immune response from the immune system. What is a lymphocyte? A lymphocyte is a white blood cell found in the lymph nodes and organs of the lymphatic system. What are the organs of the lymphatic system? Tonsils, adenoids, spleen, and thymus. Name 3 pathogens. Bacteria, viruses, protists, and fungi. What is the difference between an infectious disease and a non-infectious disease? An infectious disease is a disease that travels from one organism to another, and non-infectious diseases are not spread between organisms. Cancer and diabetes are examples of non-infectious diseases. Closing meditation. Thank you for this opportunity to grow as a learner. I know that taking time to practice remembering will strengthen my neural networks and help me remember when I need to. I know that I am an important part of the universe. My worth is not measured by how I perform on a test or the grade I get in a class. I am loved unconditionally. I work hard because I find joy in learning, and I know that I can accomplish anything with effort. After this practice session, I am ready to move on to the next part of my day, focusing on kindness, acceptance, and compassion for others. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.